Welcome back to our channel on the top 5 best drones under $300 for 2024. Drones have become essential tools for aerial photography, videography, and recreational flying. In this video, we'll explore budget-friendly options that offer impressive features, including 4K cameras, intelligent flight modes, long battery life, and stable flight performance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, these drones are sure to elevate your flying experience without breaking the bank. Number 5. Holystone HS720G. The Holystone HS720G emerges as a distinguished blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. At the heart of its capabilities lies a 4K anti-shake camera, ensuring crystal-clear footage and stills, even in the most challenging conditions. This high-resolution camera is supported by a 2-axis gimbal that provides stable and smooth video capture, a crucial feature for capturing professional-grade imagery. One of the standout features of the HS720G is its 5 GHz image transmission technology. This enables the drone to transmit high-quality images and videos over long distances without interference, ensuring a seamless and responsive flying experience. Powered by a brushless motor, the quadcopter boasts a robust performance, including a significant flight time of 26 minutes per battery, courtesy of its 7.7-volt 2,950 mAh LiPo battery. This high-capacity battery ensures extended periods of flight, allowing users to explore and capture more footage. The HS720G also excels in functionality, offering advanced features such as Follow Me mode, Auto Return to Home, and Point of Interest mode. Priced at $299.99, the Holystone HS720G positions itself as an accessible yet sophisticated drone option for those looking to explore aerial photography and videography. Number 4. DJI Mini 2 SE. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a marvel of modern drone technology, perfectly designed to capture the essence of your adventures. With its ultra-lightweight frame of under 249 grams, it stands out as an incredibly portable option, freeing you to explore the skies without the need for cumbersome registration in many countries. This drone is not just about ease and portability, it brings to the table powerful filming capabilities with its 2.7K video resolution. Combined with the DJI O2 transmission system, it boasts an impressive maximum range of 10 kilometers, ensuring your explorations are as boundless as your imagination. The Mini 2 SE's endurance is highlighted by its 31 minutes maximum flight time and its ability to withstand up to 38 km/h winds due to its level 5 wind resistance, guarantees stable footage even in less than ideal weather conditions. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization is a game-changer, providing silky smooth video and sharp photos. Creative modes like panorama and quick shots inspire users to capture breathtaking landscapes and dynamic shots with ease. Safety features such as the return to home function add peace of mind, ensuring your drone finds its way back to you. Priced at $299, the DJI Mini 2 SE is an exceptional drone that offers a perfect blend of functionality, creativity, and affordability, making it a prime choice for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography game. Number 3. Potensic ATOM SE. The Potensic ATOM SE is your perfect travel companion, blending cutting-edge technology with convenience. This compact drone, weighing less than 249 grams, is designed to be taken everywhere, fitting effortlessly into your lifestyle. Despite its small size, it boasts a powerful 4K HD camera with shake vanish technology, ensuring your aerial footage is crystal clear, free from the disruptions of unexpected movements. With an impressive 31-minute maximum flight time, thanks to its large 2,500 mAh lithium battery, the ATOM SE promises extended flights, capturing more of your adventures without the need for frequent recharging. Its 4 km transmission range offers vast exploration capabilities, allowing you to capture stunning visuals from afar. The ATOM SE stands out with its Search Fly Smart Control, a feature that ensures a seamless and intuitive flying experience. Its GPS-assisted functions enhance reliability and safety, making it easier for pilots of all skill levels to navigate with confidence. Priced at $229.99, the Potensic ATOM SE offers remarkable value. Number 2. Ruko U11 Pro. The Ruko U11 Pro is designed to elevate your drone flying experience, combining user-friendliness with high-end features. Its 4K camera, with a 90-degree adjustable angle, captures stunning perspectives, offering you the flexibility to record your world in exquisite detail. Powered by 2 lithium batteries, each supporting up to 26 minutes of flight time, the U11 Pro ensures you can enjoy up to 52 minutes of exploration, capturing more without the constant worry of recharging. The drone's 1900 mAh battery capacity, coupled with brushless motors, provides it with level 5 wind resistance, making it robust enough to share every moment, regardless of the weather. With a maximum FPV transmission range of 1640 feet, the U11 Pro allows for expansive exploration. Features such as FPV live video, GPS altitude hold, intelligent flight modes, and the unique ability to find the lost drone enhance its functionality, making it both reliable and versatile. Its portability and compact design encourage users to explore further and discover more, backed by the latest in wireless communication technology. Priced at $299.99, the Ruko U11 Pro stands out as a compelling choice for those looking to delve into the world of aerial photography and videography. Number 1. Bwine F7 Mini. The Bwine F7 Mini stands out as an exceptional choice for anyone looking to gift a blend of innovation, convenience, and fun in the world of drones. Perfect for both beginners and experienced adults, this palm-sized mini drone offers an impressive array of features within its compact and safe, foldable design. Weighing just 250 grams, it's not only portable, but also exempts owners from registration in many countries. Equipped with a high-quality camera capable of capturing 4K HDR videos, the F7 Mini ensures your memories are recorded in stunning detail and vibrant colors. The dual battery system extends the flying adventure to an unprecedented 60 minutes, offering ample time to explore, capture, and play. The F7 Mini is engineered with user-friendly controls and advanced features such as Smart Return, Follow Me, Circle Fly, and Tap Fly, making it incredibly intuitive to pilot. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi transmission guarantees smooth video feed and reliable control over the drone, while its GPS functionality enhances flight stability and precision. Priced at $278.99, the Bwine F7 Mini is more than just a drone. It's a gateway to capturing life from a new perspective, making it the perfect gift to share the joy of flying and exploring with family and friends. Thanks for joining us in exploring the top 5 best drones under $300 for 2024. With their advanced features and budget-friendly prices, these drones are perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates.